Welcome back, AI enthusiasts! This week's news explores the complex world of AI, highlighting its potential for wealth creation, the race for dominance in generative AI, and some important discussions about responsible AI development and ethical considerations. Let's dive in. AI for your wallet. MyFi launches Wealth Assistant. Good news for those looking for a financial edge. MyFi, a wealth management platform, has launched an AI assistant focused on wealth creation. This service utilizes AI to provide personalized investment guidance, potentially helping users make informed financial decisions. The generative AI race, China in the lead. The battle for AI innovation is heating up. China is reportedly leading the race in generative AI patents, a technology capable of creating realistic content like images and videos. This trend highlights China's growing influence in the field of AI development. The dark side of the algorithm: Google's AI emissions surge. There's a cloud on the horizon for AI's environmental impact. A recent report reveals Google's AI operations have caused a 48% increase in their greenhouse gas emissions. This raises concerns about the environmental cost of powerful AI systems and the need for sustainable solutions. Data privacy takes center stage. Meta faces restrictions in Brazil. Meta, the parent company of Facebook, has been ordered to stop training its AI systems on personal data from Brazilian users. This decision emphasizes the growing importance of data privacy regulations and the need for responsible data collection practices in the age of AI. A global approach to AI regulation. There's positive news on the regulatory front. India, along with several partner countries, is working towards aligning their approaches to AI regulation. This collaborative effort aims to ensure responsible AI development and minimize potential risks associated with this powerful technology. Figma's AI design feature gets pulled for copying. In a twist of irony, Figma, a popular design platform, has disabled its new AI design feature. This feature was accused of copying design elements from Apple's Weather app. This incident highlights the importance of ethical considerations within AI development and the need for transparency about how AI tools function. Wrapping up, this week's news showcased the multifaceted nature of AI, its potential benefits like wealth creation tools and exciting advancements in generative AI, alongside crucial discussions about environmental impact, data privacy, and ethical use of AI technology. Call to action. Let me know in the comments below which of these stories you find most interesting. Do you think regulations can keep pace with the rapid development of AI? How can we ensure AI is used ethically and responsibly? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.